Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Lily who loved to read. She would read books about everything and anything, from animals to adventure to magic. Lily loved to get lost in the stories and imagine herself in different worlds. One day, Lily was reading a book about a magical forest. She was so engrossed in the story that she didn't notice the forest starting to come to life around her. The trees began to dance and sing, and the animals started to talk. Lily was amazed. She had never seen anything like it before. "Hello, Lily," said a wise old owl. "We are so glad that you have come to visit our magical forest." "How did I get here?" Lily asked. "You came here through the power of your imagination," the owl replied. "When you read books, you open your mind to new worlds and possibilities." Lily was excited to explore the magical forest. She met all sorts of interesting creatures, including talking trees, singing flowers, and dancing animals. Lily had so much fun in the magical forest that she didn't want to leave. But the owl reminded her that she had to go home to her family. "Don't worry, Lily," the owl said. "The magical forest will always be here for you. Just close your eyes and open a book, and you can come back anytime you want." Lily closed her eyes and opened her favorite book. When she opened her eyes again, she was back in her room. Lily continued to read books every day, and she always visited the magical forest in her imagination. She learned that anything is possible when you have the power of imagination. Moral of the story: the power of imagination can take you to new and wondrous places. Read books and let your imagination run wild.